default for no cooling. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check my voltage. Okay, that's a surprise. I'm not getting 220. Double check. I'm not getting my 221. Alright, gotta check those fuses. Alright, so usually I take out the capacitor because I don't want to be messing around. Right, that's 5.4. Yeah, that's 5.4. Capacitor rated for 40 microfarad. Usually I try to test the value and then I compare it to the rated value. I don't read the value before I test. Okay, now we know that both capacitors are okay. We could go to the next step and start looking for a short. Usually I try to find a good ground and then I'm gonna scan the whole system. Alright, you may see me double checking my leads and the beeping all the time because sometimes with some meters the leads come off and I don't want to redo the work. Requires patience. Alright, I found nothing so far. A storm alert, Lyndhurst, New Jersey. Safety comes first, so it started to rain. Coming back the next day, I'm dealing with power. I'm on the roof by myself. Anything could happen. Alright, I brought my other mirror. Now the problem is there. I have to find it. Yeah. Nothing. I'm double checking. There is a reason why if you well, checking again. I want to make sure I did not miss anything yesterday. Going step by step. It is what it is. It's there. I just have to find it. Okay. I want to get the best reading ever. Double checking. Remove the leads to make sure I have very good contact. Alright, I think I'm gonna come out the compressor as well. Six 6.3. Write down. You wanna forget the values in 2 seconds. 1.3, that means I have good contact. 1.5, 1.4. I should have 5. Everything be good. 5.4, 0.3. Alright, that means my compressor should be good. Probably did not need this step, but it's not short, but I don't mind having the continuity.
I found the problem. Here's the problem.
Burned wire. It was touching the metal. Alright, I replace it. Place the wire. Everything is one. Team is running, probed up. One of my students joined me.
Make sure that probe is on.
Right, I'm not happy about the values I'm seeing. A very high superheat. Well, told the customer to do maintenance. He doesn't want to do maintenance. He doesn't want to charge the system correctly. Wanted to check the PXV. Alright.